Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You have what you need: a working terminal and access to the project folder. First, open the terminal and run pwd to confirm your current path. This prevents accidental changes. Once you see the path, run ls to inspect files and use cd folder name to enter the target directory. Make sure to use tab completion to avoid typos, and remember that commands are case-sensitive on most systems. These initial steps get you into the right place quickly and safely. Now you perform the main work. Open or edit files with your preferred editor, Nano for quick edits, Vim for power, or Code for GUI, because editing efficiently saves time. Use grep and find with pipes to search contents, for example, grep r term. Less. When checking running tasks, run psaux or top, then kill PID if needed. Once done, verify file ownership and permissions with LSL, and adjust with chmod or chown only when you understand the implications. To finish, stage and save work with git add and git commit m, then push to remote so changes are backed up. Clean up by removing temporary files or using your package manager's cleanup commands to free space. Once done, check logs or run commands with verbose flags like verbose or v to confirm results. If a command fails, read the error text carefully. It often tells you exactly what to fix. A simple fix is rerunning with sudo when permission is the issue, but use sudo sparingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.